Hey guys, Ross Gunn here, Aston Martin factory driver, racing for Beechdean Motorsport this weekend in the British GT Championship. We're at a wet Silverstone GP circuit, heading into Copse Corner. Third gear, lots of speed through the corner, slippery today, so trying to be careful of the exit. Up to fifth gear, then back down to third for Maggots, which is a very fast right, left, right complex, and then heading into the last part, which is Beckett's. Second gear, lots of TC as we're struggling for traction, particularly in Chapel as well, where there's a bit of standing water. Bit of time to rest, a bit of a brake bias adjustment before we head to Stowe. Looking to pick out our braking point, just rev it up to fifth gear. Braking, down to third, lots of understeer mid-corner. Finally the car grips, and a bit of oversteer as we search for traction. Then heading down into Club Corner, which is a very slow speed complex, first gear, past the GT3 on the outside. And then setting up the exit, very tricky to get on power here as we're turning and accelerating, and obviously in these conditions very tricky to get to power. Past another GT3 car on the wing pit straight, heading into Abbey, third gear corner, down 2 gears, very quick in the dry but much slower in these conditions. Through the fast left-hander, bit of aquaplaning there, and then setting up the car for the arena section, which is all slow speed. Second gear, and then we'll head down to first for this left-hander. All about setting up the exit as best possible and searching for the grip that is out wide in that corner. Lots of TC again, big lift for the Aintree corner before the Wellington straight. Was a bit brave on the exit there with the white lines, but managed to hold it all good. Again, another just change of brake bias before the end of the lap, which is very important with braking for Brooklands. Nice through there. And then heading into the last corner, lots of understeer. Really have to work the front axle hard and then focus on straightening the exit as best possible before we head into Woodcote, which today was flat in these conditions, just about. And that is a lap of Silverstone GP. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy a lap with me and no commentary.